this will be included. I have to clean this small roots and peel and include it in cooking. Hello, hi! Welcome back again to my channel. And for today, we are going to make a film regarding how we cook this one. Okay, malaki. Okay, this is a Gabi. What we call this is Gabi. I don't know kung ano ang itatawag ninyo sa ito, sa klase ito. This is a root crop. The roots can be eaten and all of it. This from, I will show it to you kung paano. Unang-una, kasi mga malalaki po ito. Unang-una, kunin natin ang mga dahon. We will use knife. First of all, why I use my gloves? It's because the juice of the stem or the leaf and the trunk and the what's that can stain our skin. So I am wearing these gloves so to prevent my skin to be stained. Okay, so here we are. I will cut this. I will cut this like this one. I am showing you now. We have planted this outside or in our front yard. So we started with peeling all the bonnet. Okay, so we need to put all those and then like that. I hope there are friends who can relate what I am doing right now. But buhay probinsya po ito. Ito nga, kung wala kaming ulam, if we don't have food, we need not worry. This kind of plant, root crop, can be seen anywhere, especially in the river, near the river, and this is not planted. We just get there and we will uproot, and then we have already our food. This time, this will cost enough time. This is clean, and I will, because this is a big, large, I will cut like this. Have you seen this? As you can see, I am cutting like this until it will reach to this end. As you see, the leaf is almost dead already, very mature. We will not include this in cooking. We will separate this and put it there. This part only will be cooked later. After this will be done, we have to clean this in the water 3 or 4 times with enough water. Cook with level of water. We need to cook this until it turned very smooth, very soft. After it is smooth, it is cooked, we have to drain the water and then we prepare spices like garlic, ginger, pepper, black pepper, salt, and most of all, little sugar and coconut milk and vinegar. If you wanted it to mix with daing or dried fish, this will take too long. I will let you see the finished product. Before I forget, all this will be included. I have to clean these roots, small roots, peel, and include it in cooking. Hi! This is the one that I told you, itong gabi na ginawa natin kanina, inilagay sa kaldero, malaking kaldero kasi ang dami nun. Pagkadagan sa aso. And tingnan niyo, parang naglata kami ng isang buong kalabaw, buong baka. Ang laki ng kaldero at ang aso. Tingnan niyo ang kahoy. So this is what's inside. Okay, tingnan natin what's inside. Okay? Dito na lang natin niluto dito sa labas para kasi yung mga kahoy na ginamit, yung mga haligi na namin, we are using already our takilid na rin among bayron kay gikuha naghaligi. Uy, can't you see? Ang laking turuso. Ang laking turuso. Mao na ni giputol na ni sa mga kauban diri. Mao na. So, we will open. We will try to open. Okay, what's inside? Ang init. Ito na ang nilatanan na gabi. Okay. Latang-lata na pero kulang pa yan. Pag latang-lata na, i-drain natin at saka lagyan ng mga ricados. Okay. Isira na natin yan. Isira na. Okay. Then, it is closed already and we still have to lata. I remember already what is the name in some place that also cook like this. Laing na gabi. Okay? Yes, there you are mga ka-friendship. This is the finished product of our ipakita laing. Yes, I remember now. The name of this food is laing, coming from the gabi, the whole plants of gabi. Ako mong pahibaon kung iyon sa pagluto. Ano lang na ko ipakita ang pagluto kay after nga gihimo to nga na tender na siya o na soft na o gi-drain to nya paguman nag-andam o tanglad nga duha ka punuan dayon thick na coconut milk, lots of garlic, ginger, no tomatoes kay dali mapanos. So black pepper nya bell pepper pero naalis ilaw gibutang na to tanan, that's why wa pa ka makita to apadaghan dito to sa tusudlanan. Tas ilaw gibutang dito sa ilaw ang tanan nga mga spices and then including the sugar. Yes, osaka para sada depende ra na sa kadaghanon sa imong lutuon. So tansya nimo kay og isang daghanon gradual lang ang pagdugang-dugang. You add more if tuo ka na dili kaayo pa insakto. Salt mo na ni ang laing. This is my way of cooking laing. Daghan or there are many ways. There are many ways in cooking this kind of food, this gabi. So sa ako lang, my own version of my laing is like this. Okay, di na lang ko, I will not mention sa uban o giunsa nila if how they also cook, but this is my own version. Thank you sa inyong suporta hanga ka friendship. Babush na!